Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn BSc Computer Science. Begin by mastering foundational programming concepts, which are crucial for any computer science path. Select a versatile programming language, like Python, to build your initial coding skills and projects. Then, delve into essential computer science topics such as operating systems and computer architecture to establish a strong academic base. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive understanding from the start. To deepen your understanding, focus on discrete mathematics and calculus, which provide the theoretical backbone for computing. Next, acquire proficiency in database management systems and SQL, essential for managing and querying data effectively. Incorporate software engineering principles into your projects to develop robust and maintainable code. This stage builds a solid analytical and practical foundation for complex challenges. Now it's time to apply your knowledge. Actively work on coding projects and contribute to open-source initiatives to build a strong portfolio. Think about specializing in a field that excites you, perhaps artificial intelligence, web development, or cybersecurity. Gaining practical experience through internships is invaluable, offering insights into industry practices and potential career paths. This hands-on approach solidifies your learning. The journey in computer science is one of continuous learning. Always stay updated with new technologies and trends, utilizing online courses and research papers. Networking with professionals and attending industry conferences can open doors to exciting opportunities and collaborations. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Embrace lifelong learning to thrive in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.